Phoenix Within, a tale of rebirth. In the heart of a bustling city, amidst the rush and chaos, there lived a man whose story remained hidden from the world. A story of pain, loss, and the transformative power of resilience. Meet David. Once a vibrant soul full of dreams, his world shattered one fateful night. A devastating accident claimed the lives of his beloved family, leaving him broken and adrift in a sea of despair. For months, David wrestled with grief and anguish, unable to see beyond the darkness that engulfed him. Every day was a battle against the overwhelming weight of sorrow. Yet, within the depths of his despair, a flicker of determination remained, a small ember refusing to be extinguished. With each sunrise, David found strength. He sought solace in the simple joys of life, the warmth of the sun on his face, the gentle embrace of friends who refused to let him drown in sorrow. Driven by a newfound purpose, David turned his pain into fuel for growth. He immersed himself in helping others, volunteering at shelters, offering a listening ear to those battling their own demons. Through his acts of kindness, David discovered a resilience he never knew existed within him. His wounds, once raw and searing, began to heal, slowly but surely. With each person he helped, David's spirit soared higher. The scars that once defined him became symbols of strength and compassion. Today, David's story is a testament to the human spirit's capacity to rise from ashes. He is no longer defined by tragedy, but by the courage to rebuild and the resilience to embrace life's uncertainties. Remember, dear viewers, within each of us lies a phoenix waiting to rise, a symbol of renewal, strength, and the power to overcome even the darkest of times. Until next time, may David's journey inspire you to discover the phoenix within yourself. Keep rising, keep believing, and keep rewriting your story of resilience.